Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon SP 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for June 25th going into the 26th. We're going to start out with the S&P 500 index. Okay, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff in here right now. On June 11th, on one, we're in a bullish correction. We're trend against the move down from the high. And from the 73.08 open, we rallied 261.5. But that's on hold. And then the trade below 75.3250. And here, we're under pressure. And we've come off down to 73.5725. We also fell below this formation right here at 74.13, 56 roughly, and rolled over a bit. That may bring in additional pressure down towards these lows to test below it. If we trade back above that line decently, that's just going to negate the bearish bias below that line. That's going to come in at 74.1340 at 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We left a minor bearish reversal above here 3 days ago, and we've just been consolidating. If this was to rally before the open and leave a maintained gap higher on the day, that would leave a minor bullish reversal below. And the gold, a maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. And the gold, the trade below 52, 55.40 has brought in 1,279.7 of pressure after holding exhaustion above 56.26 with a 56.2680 high and rolling over 1,651.1. A number of other lower time frame calls in here. Then we held possible exhaustion down here, macro exhaustion. At 390, 39.7790. Excuse me, I'm looking at the wrong chart. At 390, 39.4970. And then we had this upper one here at 39.7410, which we are holding currently with a 39.7575 low, starting to rally. A decent trade above this line right here is going to warrant decent strength. That's going to come in at 40.1250. Minus 2 per hour starting at 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bear with me just a moment. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 28 points, or $28, excuse me, which we've already just seen. We just got $30 right now. So that projects us higher. Decent failure back below that line will warrant a decent pressure again. A maintained gap higher will leave a minor bullish reversal below. And as I said, this could be macro exhaustion. And if this macro exhaustion holds, could see a substantial rally from here. And then finally, the Bitcoin. Not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff, but we held exhaustion with an 83.215 high and rolled over 24,220. A number of other bearish calls in here. Then I said the trade below 65,833, Warner pressure, we've seen 6,838. And then the trade below 63,239 brought in 4,244. However, we did hold exhaustion down below here, a macro exhaustion from at 57,829 to 57,531. With a 57,960 low and started to rally. If this turns into a full-fledged bullish correction against the move down from the highs, the minimum target would be 81,075. If you trade back above this line decently, that's also going to want a decent trade. That's going to come in at 61,538. Last 25 per hour starting at 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.